I was approaching a crossroads of my life. I'd done lots of extracurricular stuff again at university, in choir and operettas, in volunteering with special needs kids, in foster homes. So I was starting to build a musical connection with children at that point. And then my sister Susie, who was a Down syndrome child, as I said, she passed away in the early 70s, after I graduated. And my dad was alcoholic, and he was a heavy smoker, and he did not have the personal strength to sort of continue in his life. So he passed away in a year after my sister. So that was, my major mortality check. Was, what am I going to do with my life now? I don't want to be an economist, but I had the foresight to look into myself, look into my life at that point, and the only things that I had done that gave me any kind of personal bliss were music and performing, and I was pretty good at guitar at that point. So I went to a local bar called the Balmoral Hotel, and their performing space in their lounge was called the Can Lounge. So I went to, why did I do that? I don't know. Somebody must have suggested it. But I went there. I auditioned for the manager. He said, "Great. When can you play?" "Oh, whenever you'd like." So I did a Thursday, Friday, Saturday night at the Can Lounge, the Balmoral Hotel, for $25 a night, $75. Hey, I'm on my way. that was a beginning. And then I never turned back. I had many musical friends. We put things together. We do performing. I travel a bit. It would just start. That whole ball started rolling.